What is going on, everyone? We are back here for the WYBT number 4, which is the first Tier 1 of the season for the WYBT season. For those that just don't know what a Tier 1 and a Tier 2 is, I'm just going to kind of explain. We explained it in the interview that I did with Dylan and Zach, which are the tournament directors, and they do an amazing job. I cannot stress enough. But basically, the main difference is that it's very similar to a college Tier 1 and Tier 2. And Tier 1s are, you have a ball limit. It's typically 5, which it is for this WYBT as well as collegiate. And then the other big thing is that you do not get released the parent until after the tournament is fully complete. Usually for college, it's like the day before, like the day after. But I don't know what these guys are going to do. Probably as soon as the tournament ends, just post on Facebook so everyone knew what they bowled on. We got our lane assignments last night, so I'm gonna check in my balls, check in myself, and go to my lane, and we'll go from there. So hopefully this is a great tournament. Hopefully I get a lot of footage of all the different bowlers, as it's gonna be a tougher shot and it's gonna be a lot of competition. So hopefully this is a great tournament for myself and my competitors. I'll see you guys in the bowling alley. Right as he started playing well, apparently. Quinn, how you doing?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing great.
Well, that's good. The driest talk ever. It's so bad.
Like I got lost. Oh yeah, you could see it right there. First 2 feet aren't oiled.
Yeah, that's fun. You gotta get your
Maybe one of them.
protractors out. Start checking lane topography. Make sure you know every lane in this building.
It's official. 40 feet, 36 mils.
That's not an official number at all.
And our banners for every tournament that we host for our bowlers. So thanks to them. Today we'll be bowling 6 games on a pattern that we will announce after the tournament has completed, either tonight or tomorrow. Right now you have 46 bowlers from 34. You guys will be switching lanes every 2.
Alright, so after game 1, so far so good. I will admit, after the 15 minutes of practice, the lane changed quite a bit, actually. When you have so much practice, it tends to, transition quickly.
All the time
Well, ladies and gentlemen, as Henry Spindler once said, you get the front six, you get six.
I think that wouldn't affect you. You're playing too far out.
Nice mocks.
Thank you.
Someone just didn't like the painting, I guess. Ty, was that you?
It was not. It was not. It was not.
And then he would have ripped his jersey.
Come on, ball!
Yes, sir. Wow. Yes, sir. Good shot, John. That's how Appleton North was in my area. Like my preference off that's what it was. Shot, John, knock it down. That is the dumbest I've ever seen. Oh my god, good shot, Kel. Kachiga!
They made a flashing reference. What are your biggest fans?
Oh, get out. Yes, sir!
Or a Volkswagen bus.
Go. Go!
He moves the torque into it.
Kachiga. Oh